Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? And I hope you are doing amazing, wonderful wherever you are. This is your soulmate love reading, and I welcome you all in my channel. I hope it resonates with you. You can check out your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. New life. Okay. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius. Okay, and take whatever is resonating because this is the general soulmate love reading. Gender is not specific here. Okay, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get all important messages, whatever messages are important for you. Okay, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, if you want to ask me anything. Thank you so much for giving lots of love to my channel, for commenting beautiful messages. I really appreciate that. Let's start your soulmate love reading. Please, gods, guides, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, help me out to deliver soulmate love reading for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius, which is important to deliver. What are the messages for my Aquarius soulmate love reading? Never ending story. Then there is flexible. I'm going to take 5 cards from this deck and then I'm going to clarify these cards. Yank. It just fell out. So let's see. Breathe. Okay. Any other message? And there are 3 messages. Treasure Island, message in the bottle, and here and now. Usually I take 5 cards, but today I'm taking 7 because 7 has flipped out. Okay, so these are the messages for you, Aquarius. You need to focus right now, here and now. There is no past, there is no present, there is no future, there is no past. There is a present which is open, a gate. There is open gate here. You need to focus right now, here and now. Okay, so there is a message in the bottle. Some kind of message is coming for you. There is some news which is coming for you. There is a treasure island. Okay, it was like that. Okay, there is treasure island, okay, which is opening up for you. That means lot of good fortune, lot of good opportunities for you is coming right now. Okay, then there is breathe. Take some kind of relaxation, relax, patience, Aquarius. You need to keep some kind of patience, be more flexible. Okay, there is something which is never ending story is going on, and there is yang. That means you have to take a charge of your life and move in a forward direction. So now I'm going to clarify these cards and then I'm going to tell you what are the card meaning. Okay, let's see what are the meaning of these cards. Let's start your clarification. What is never ending story? Please clarify me, what is never ending story? Clarify never ending story. That's what I wanted to tell you, Aquarius. Don't think that this is a never ending story, because that means that bottom of the deck I'm having trapped in fear. You are just trapped in fear. Okay, So Aquarius, this girl is sitting in the table and she doesn't know that there are wings here. This girl can fly, so just focus on the wings, okay, that you can fly. And beautiful message is coming for you that there is a hope, okay, don't lose hope. There is harmony, there is hope which is coming for you. Don't trapped in fear that this is a never ending story, this again is it will never end. Okay, don't be get into that energy, okay, because hope is there and harmony is there. Okay, use your wings, see that you can do that, you can fly. Clarify me flexible, clarify me flexible. What is flexible? Bottom of the deck, I'm having shadow. Okay, so you need to balance your shadow self, Aquarius. Why? And you are balancing it maybe, and if you're not balancing it, balance yourself. Be more flexible, be more balanced, because your third eye chakra is getting open. Then there are partnership and alliances, and there is love begins. So you need to be more flexible than before. Okay, that's the meaning of this card, that maybe you have to be more flexible than before. Sorry for the sounds behind. 1 minute. Okay, you need to be more flexible than before, be more balanced than before. Okay, you need to work on your shadow self, be more balanced than before. Let's see what is the meaning of yang. Clarify me yang. What is the meaning of yang? Wow. Rest and rejuvenate. In bottom of the deck, I'm having spiritual union. So Aquarius, you need to rest and rejuvenate, and that's the meaning of breath also. Okay, you just need to rest and rejuvenate because spiritual union is coming your way. Reconciliation is coming your way. Clarify me yang. What is yang? Clarify me yang. There are some obstacles and challenges which are coming your way, Aquarius, but there are something which is your destiny is there. Okay, so just overcome any obstacle or challenges because there is a destiny card. Okay, just rejuvenate yourself, you need to take charge of your life. Take the energy of yang and move in a forward direction. And I'm very sorry that there is noise today in the background. Clarify me breathe. Choose wisely, Aquarius. Maybe you need to choose something. There are choices here given here, so you need to choose wisely. Okay, there is something in which you have to sacrifice. Okay, there is a sacrifice here. Then there is material harvest and prosperity begins. Okay, so you just have to breathe, take some kind of rest and rejuvenate yourself, keep your patience yourself, calm your mind and take the decisions. You need to take some kind of decisions, you need to choose some kind of choices. Okay, because prosperity and material harvest is there. Okay, so choose wisely. What is here and now? Clarify here and now. There is something in which you are emotionally withdrawing yourself, emotional withdrawal. Okay, Queen of Swords energy, you are emotionally withdrawing yourself, you are not using your emotional, and you're getting your spiritual strength. Okay, you're getting more strength from the spiritual. So be into the present, Aquarius. Okay, enjoy your present. Don't be. There are new beginnings for you, Aquarius. Okay, so new beginnings are there. Just be more present in here right now, in the present here and now. Okay, some of you Aquarius are emotionally unavailable, emotionally you are withdrawn. Okay, then there is spiritual strength and new beginning. So something very beautiful is happening for you. There are new beginnings, there are prosperity, there are love begins, there is a hope. Bottom of the deck, I'm having material and spiritual prosperity. Then there is balance. Okay, so you have to be more present right now here, Aquarius. What is Treasure Island? Wow. Solitude and transformation is going to happen, Aquarius. Transformation is taking place for you. Beautiful messages. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful messages. Transformation is taking place for you. What is message in a bottle? What is a message in a bottle? Stand your ground. Stand your ground, Aquarius. Okay, and you need to keep moving on. Okay, don't be stuck in one energy, you need to keep moving on is the message, and stand ground. Okay, message in a bottle again. Material and spiritual prosperity is there. Okay, so there is something message in a bottle in which you will get your material and spiritual prosperity. You need to stand your ground. Okay, and let's clarify these messages, these cards from my tarot deck too. What is a never ending story? Clarify me never ending story. See, again I'm getting Chariot and Page of Cups. You will receive some kind of message from someone, Aquarius, saying sorry Aquarius, I did that and did that and I'm sorry, I have my apology and something like that. Some kind of small message you are going to receive, but you have to move forward, Aquarius. Chariot is there. Don't be in this energy of never ending story. Move in a forward direction. Okay, move in a forward direction. You know what is right and what is wrong. You have to move forward. Okay, and why I'm saying this, because you have hope. Okay, you have hope, Aquarius. You have hope, you have harmony. Okay, so just move in a forward direction. Beautiful positive messages are there for you. You have to move forward. There is hope and there is harmony which is waiting for you. Okay, don't be in this energy of never ending story, that it always happened like this, I have to be in this energy. No, you do not have to worry. Okay, you do not have to be in this energy. What is flexible? You're coming towards the calmer waters, Aquarius. There is your twin flames. Maybe right now you are holding back from someone. Okay, Four of Pentacles is there, bottom of the deck. There is someone who, in which you are putting lots of efforts, time, money, okay, energy, but now you're coming towards a calmer water. Six of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and Four of Wands, Eight of Pentacles. So you are putting lots of efforts, energy in that, and again there is Six of Pentacles here. Equal amount of love and give and take. Love begins, Aquarius. Okay, Four of Wands, twin flame energy, soulmate energy is there. Okay, you are coming towards the calmer waters, partnership and alliances. These are the exact cards with which I am getting it. Okay, before you were putting lots of efforts, but now you have to be more flexible. Okay, don't be in this energy of Four of Wands. Don't hold back, basically. Don't hold back from them. What is Yang? Wow, this is you. Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords. You know the truth, Aquarius. What is Yang? Clarify Yang. Clarify Yang. Again, Four of Wands. You are holding back a lot from someone, Aquarius. Don't hold back. Okay, don't hold back a lot. You know the truth. You are emotionally unavailable right now. You are holding back from someone, but don't hold back, because that is written in your destiny. Okay, maybe there are some obstacles and challenges which are there, but you will overcome them, Aquarius. Okay, and can you see the number here? There are 5, then there is 10. 10 is also a completion number. Then there is 4. 4, 5 and 10 number is there, and there is 1 again, Yang number. Okay, so you do not have to worry at all. This is you, the Queen of Wands, Queen of Swords, sorry, Queen of Swords is there. Clarify me, breathe. Clarify, breathe. Ace of Swords. You are getting your clarity. You know the clarity, Aquarius. You have the clarity. Okay, bottom of the deck, I'm having 4 of Cups. Maybe you're not accepting a cup from someone. Okay, but accept it. That's why there is choose wisely. Choose wisely, because there is a cup which is very colorful, which is waiting for you. Choose wisely. Okay, breathe, take time and choose wisely, because you have the clarity. Okay, you have the clarity, Aquarius. It's not like you do not have any clarity, you have any kind of confusion. No, you do not have any kind of confusion. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. Okay, choose wisely, and you have the clarity. Ace of Swords is there. You have the clarity, so choose wisely. Then there is here and now. Why there is here and now? Four of Swords, Ace of Cups. Rest and rejuvenate yourself, and that's what it is. You need to rest and rejuvenate, and there is emotional fulfillment here. Ace of Cups is there. Right now you are not emotionally available. You have withdrawal your emotions from some situation or from some person. Emotional withdrawal is there, but there are some kind of new beginnings, Aquarius. New beginnings are there in Ace of Cups is there. Just rest and rejuvenate yourself. Okay, heal yourself, Aquarius. Ace of Cups is there, and that's the new beginning for you. Emotional fulfillment is coming for you. Okay, Aquarius. What is Treasure Island? Clarify me, Treasure Island. Clarify Treasure Island. King of Pentacle. Okay. Clarify me. Clarify me, Treasure Island. What is Treasure Island? Too many cards. Clarify me, Treasure Island. What is the meaning of Treasure Island? Please clarify. Clarify me, Treasure Island. Keep your strength with you, Aquarius. Strength card is there. There is someone from your past. Transformation is taking place. There is someone from your past which is financially maybe stable, solid, okay, grounded, but there are some secrets hidden from you. They're trying to give you some kind of love offer. Knight of Cups, but there is third party situation going on. Three of Swords, and that's why there is transformation here. Okay, you're getting transformed. That's why your emotional withdrawal is there. Okay, do not worry at all. Keep your strength with you, Aquarius. Keep your strength with you, because whatever is happening for good, because the transformation is taking place in your life. Six of Cups is that this person is from your past. Okay, What is message in the bottle? Wow. 10 of cups. What is message in the bottle? Someone is, wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Knight of Pentacle and the Lovers. This is your divine counterpart, Aquarius. They're coming towards you in a slow pace. This is the slowest deck in the tarot. They're coming towards you in the slowest way, but they are coming for sure. And that's the message in a bottle. What's the message in the bottle? The Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is the 10 of Cups, Wheel of Fortune World card, and the Tower. The Tower is taking place. You're completing some kind of karmic cycle. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius. Happily ever after. 10 of Cups is there. That's why there is material and spiritual prosperity. Okay. The message in the bottle is you getting your 10 of Cups here. Stand your ground. Wheel of Fortune is coming in your favor. Okay, the World card is there and the Tower is there. Beautiful message for you. Give me the advice for Aquarius. What is the advice for Aquarius? Again, Nine of Pentacle. Okay. Give me the advice. They're coming towards you, Aquarius. Four of Wands. This is your soulmate, okay, which are coming your way. You're getting your clarity. Again, Ace of Swords is there. Bottom of the deck I'm having. Give me the advice for Aquarius. What is the advice? Give me the advice. What is the advice? Give me the advice. What is the advice for Aquarius? Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Swords. Okay, this is your divine counterpart. Here I'm having Queen of Swords, and bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Swords and Queen of Swords. And why I'm saying this is your divine counterpart, Aquarius, this is the Lovers. Again, I'm having Lovers. Four of Wands and Knight of Pentacle. Okay, Four of Wands and Four of Wands. Okay, this is your divine counterpart, your soulmate, your twin flame, whatever you can call. Okay, this is the divine counterpart for you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Swords. Okay, so they're coming towards you maybe at the slow pace. You cannot see right now. Maybe some of you're wondering that they have not come. That's why you are losing hope. But keep your hope. They are coming, Aquarius. Your love is coming your way. Your lovers is coming your way. See, the same cards were there at the bottom of the deck. From this deck too, Knight of Pentacles and Lovers. Knight of Pentacles and the Lovers. Okay, I can show you like this. Okay, so that's the advice from the divine, from the universe. Okay, Four of Wands, Lovers, and Knight of Pentacle. Knight of Pentacle, Four of Wands, and the Lovers. So they are coming towards you, maybe in a slow pace. Maybe you can't see right now that they are coming, but they are coming, Aquarius. They are the love of your life and they're coming. Wow. Keep your strength with you. Beautiful reading for you, Aquarius, for soulmate. This is the reading for those who are in twin flame, in soulmate. Read in soulmate journey. Okay, beautiful return, beautiful messages for you. There are new beginnings. There is transformation coming, Aquarius. New beginnings and transformation is coming for you. Okay, you just need to stand your ground. Okay, do not give up right now and get out of this energy of that you cannot. This is the never ending story that it cannot be. It's always happened like that. You just need to be more flexible. Okay, just need to be more flexible and be more present right now, here, right now. Okay, so let's see what are the messages. Live your soul, not a role, Aquarius. Wow, beautiful message. What are the messages from Divine Energy Oracle? Let's see. What are the messages from Divine Oracle deck? Help me out to deliver the messages for Aquarius which are important. Help me out. What are the messages? Retreat and rejuvenate. Yeah, right. That's what I was telling you. Rest and rejuvenate. Retreat and rejuvenate yourself, Aquarius. Trust the divine plan. Beautiful message for you. That trust the divine plan. Okay, you just need to take. You just need to trust the divine plan. And bottom of the deck, I'm having choose friends wisely. Okay, choose friends wisely. Choose friends wisely is again there. So choose wisely, Aquarius. There is something in which you need to choose, and you need to choose wisely. Okay, 1 minute. Choose wisely, choose friends wisely. So choose wisely, Aquarius. Okay, then there is reach for the stars. Okay, reach for the stars, Aquarius. Build on solid ground. And if there is something in which you have to be, there is some confusion, then there is so say no. There is say no. Why there is say no? Maybe there is something in which you need to know the answer, but the answer is say no. Okay, be open to love and burst out of your cocoon. Means you need to get out of your comfort zone. Okay, and be open to love, Aquarius. Okay, any other message? Any other message for Aquarius? Be true to yourself. Change tracks. Refine your attention, Aquarius. Ask with sincerity. Be patient and accept disappointments gracefully. So these are the messages from the divine. Thank you so much, divine, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the soul messages. What are the soul messages which you and your soulmate has to learn in this life journey? What are the soul messages which Aquarius and their life partner soulmate has to learn? Give me the messages. What are the messages? First message is happiness. I'm aware that being happy means that I'm on the right path. That's the soul lesson you need to learn. If you want to check whether you are on a right path or not, check that you are happy or not, Aquarius. If you are happy, then you are on a right path. Okay. Then there is success. I know that there is no greater goal than to love. Okay, that's the soul lesson you need to learn. You both need to learn, you and your soulmate. Okay, then there is grief. I understand that losing something is an opportunity to appreciate it. Okay, so this is an important soul lesson that you both have to learn. Then there is peace. I'm being of love and I release all negative energy. I'm being of love and I release all negative energy. So these are the messages which you need to learn. Okay, there are soul lessons which you need to learn in this life cycle, in this life journey. Let go. That means you need to release any kind of negativity, Aquarius. If you have, just release it. Okay, let's see what are the life purpose which you and your soulmate is having in this life journey. Okay, let me see what are the life purpose which you need, which you and your soulmate has to do in this life journey. Okay, what are the life purpose? First message is school. The answers that you are seeking involves going to school. So maybe some of you has to go to school. That means that you have to study, Aquarius, and while studying to school, while doing some kind of studies, you will get your answers, Aquarius. Okay, so that is your life purpose. Your life purpose involves going to school. Then there is protected. You are safe and supported while you change your career. Maybe some of you, Aquarius, are thinking to change career, so you are protected, Aquarius. You can change your career. You do not have to worry at all. Then there is heart desires. The angels are supporting, guiding and protecting you as your dreams becomes your reality. So follow your heart desires. Okay, you are protected, Aquarius. Your angels are protecting. You are not alone. You can follow, support, guide your dreams so that they can become a reality. Okay, then there is writing. You heal, inspire, teach and entertain with the words you write. Writing is an important life purpose, Aquarius, you are having right now in this life. Okay, so maybe some of you can write a book or do writing. That I always tell to my soulmate, that you can do some kind of writing a book or something, but I think that I have to do that. Okay, so jokes apart, you can, your life purpose involves writing. Writing can be an important career for you, some of you, Aquarius. Let's see what are the things which we need to surrender. We need to surrender some kind of things so that we can achieve our goals in this life journey. So let's see what are the things which we need to surrender. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the message. Bottom of the deck, I'm having surrender to joy. Okay. Surrender to the beauty of natural world. Take a relaxing break and spend time in nature. Replenish yourself by feeling the beauty and ecstasy there. Okay, so surrender to the beauty of the natural world, Aquarius. Then there is a message. Surrender the habit of people pleasing. Speak your needs and be true to yourself. Focus on your own happiness instead of always trying to make everyone else happy. Very important soul lesson and small soul thing that you need to learn, that you need to surrender, is surrender the habit of people pleasing, Aquarius. Take care of your needs first, then take care of others. Okay, we always try to make everyone else happy, so sometimes what happen is that we forget ourselves. Okay, then we later on we get to know that we are not happy in this situation. So just surrender the habit of people pleasing. And then there is surrender to success. You are ready to experience abundance. Don't look back at the previous roadblocks or difficulties. Leap into exciting new world of possibilities. So new world of possibilities are waiting for you, Aquarius. New beginnings are there. Can you see there is a light here waiting for you? You just need to surrender to success. Whatever has happened has happened. Just move in a forward direction. Okay, let's see what are the messages from Twin Flame Oracle deck. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? What are the messages? What are the messages? What are the messages for my Aquarius? beautiful messages from this twin flame oracle deck. Let me see any other message. Any other message? Bottom of the deck, I'm having glacitic downloads, ascension light codes, upgrades. Aquarius, you're getting upgrades while you are sleeping. Okay, so you do not have to worry at all. You're getting upgraded when you are sleeping at night, because I'm having galactic downloads and I'm having astral experiences. Okay, there are lots of, again, make a choice is there. Okay, so the first message for you is gender roles. Current problems are reflecting negative human patterning, right? Because in our society, in our gender, in our world, in our countries, we think that this belongs to male and this belongs to female. So gender roles are playing an important part in your twin flame journey, Aquarius. Current problems are reflecting negative human pattern. Okay, then there is fear of coming together. Resolve doubts to open to love. Okay, there are fear of coming together. Okay, so resolve this as soon as possible. Resolve any doubt and be more open to love. And there is past life karma. Current challenges relate to old wounds. Okay, maybe there is some kind of past life karma, so you need to heal your past wounds. Okay, whatever wounds was there in the past life, you need to heal as soon as possible so that you can reunite with your twin flame, your divine counterpart. Then there is astral experiences, nighttime journeys and meeting. That's very beautiful, Aquarius. There you are getting downloads. Okay, you're getting downloads from the universe. You're getting astral experiences. Okay, while you sleep at night. Beautiful messages. It's never too late. Don't give up. Change can happen in an instant. Okay, so it's never too late, Aquarius. Change, you can change anything, anytime. Just you need to think that I need to change this. Don't give up. Okay. Then there is then there is divine timing, co-creating your journey. Yes, right. Divine timing is very important, Aquarius. You need to keep your patience. Okay, patience and divine timing. Just keep your patience. The situation requires more time. Whenever the divine timing will come, you will get whatever you are thinking or manifesting, because when divine timing will come, it will happen automatically. Okay, so divine timing is there. They are co-creating your journey. Divine is looking towards you and they are creating your journey. You do not have to worry at all. Okay, nothing to worry about. All is well. You need not fear. That's right. That's what I was telling you right now. Nothing to worry about. There is nothing which you need to worry about. There is nothing which you need to worry about. All is well. You do not have to worry at all. Just relax, Aquarius. Then there is make a choice, Aquarius. Make a choice. Sending mixed signals to the universe. Whenever you send mixed signals to universe will not be able to not be able to provide you, not be able to give you what you deserve, whatever you are manifesting, because you are giving them mixed signals. Okay, don't give them mixed signals. Make a choice and give them a clear cut signal, so that universe will able to understand that what you want exactly. So when you will decide what you want exactly, you will be able to send those signals to the universe, and universe will be able to help you out in creating those manifestations will help you out. Universe or divine will help you out, okay, in creating your reality, because right now you're creating mixed signals to the universe. Okay, so make a choice, Aquarius. Then there is self love. Okay, so self love is indicated, maybe you have to love yourself. Maybe some of you Aquarius are not doing self love, and self love is very important, Aquarius. So self love is indicated here. Take care of yourself is there again. Finding your center, inner peace. Okay, take care of yourself. Do your self love is there. Okay, spend some time with yourself. Take care of your body, your skin. Then there is expect miracles. Nothing is impossible, right? Nothing is impossible. Expect miracles. When you trust miracles, trust divine, trust universe, miracles happen. Okay. Then there is metaphoresis. You are in a process of transformation. Beautiful message for you. Can you see how beautiful this picture is? You are in a process of becoming butterfly, Aquarius. You are in a process of transformation. So you do not have to worry at all. Okay. Then there are soul contracts. You are in a process of ending old cycles. Before that, I am going to take two cards. Why I am taking it? Then there is mother, father, and there is soul contracts. Old issue expressing in your twin flame connection, right? There are old issues which are expressing in your twin flame, in your soul life partner soul journey, in your twin flame connections. Okay, there are old issues which are expressing in your twin flame connection and which are related to your mother, father. Okay, and there is soul contract. You are in process of ending old cycles. So whatever was happening, there was something which was related to your mother, father. Okay, there were old issues which was happening in your relationship, but now you are going to end those cycles. Okay, you are in a process of ending old cycles. So whatever cycles were happening in your life, you are going to end. Those cycles are going to end. Why I'm saying it? Because there is this message is new doors opening. Okay, embarrass change opportunities showing up. Beautiful message. Can you see how bright light is there? So new doors are opening for you. Beautiful messages for you, Aquarius. I love doing your reading always. So let's see what are the messages from your soulmate. Let's see what they want to tell you, what my Aquarius soulmate want to tell you. Okay, what they want to tell you, I will going to tell you that. What are the messages they want to give to my Aquarius? What is their soulmate thinking and want to tell Aquarius? These are the messages about what your soulmate is thinking about you, what they are feeling right now for you, what they want to tell you, Aquarius. These are those messages. Okay, and let's see what are these messages. Any other message? Bottom of the deck, I'm having you make me smile. Your soulmate wants to tell you that you make them smile, Aquarius. They want to tell you, you bring peace to me. Beautiful message. You bring peace to me. You make me laugh constantly, continuously. Your soulmate wants to tell you this. Then you always give me a shoulder to cry on. Wow. They want to tell you, you can read my mind. Beautiful. They want to tell you that you can read their mind. Wow. Then they want to tell you, you respect my decisions. You make me feel alive. They want to tell you that, Aquarius, you make them feel alive. They want to tell you that you are my best friend. Beautiful, Aquarius. They want to tell you that you are their best friend. You are very forgiving. Your soulmate loves this quality of yours, Aquarius, that you are very forgiving. Then they want to tell you that you and me deal with every situation well. Okay, they want to tell you this. Then they want to tell you that you never give up on me. You are honest with me. They want to tell you that you are crazy and talky. They want to tell you that you respect me as a person. They know that you respect them as a person. They want to tell you that you respect my family. They love your feelings. They love your these qualities, Aquarius, that you respect their family. They want to tell you that you sound sexy over the phone. Okay, they want to tell you that you sound sexy over the phone. Then they want to tell you that you are my home, lovely Aquarius. You are my home. Then they want to tell you that you are very cute and adorable. Beautiful. So these are the messages about what they are feeling towards you, what they want to tell you. Okay, let's add some lucky charms and close it out your reading. So the signs I am right now looking here, maybe you are dealing with these signs, and the signs are here Aquarius. Aquarius, you are here. Okay, maybe you are dealing with Aquarius. Then there is Capricorn. Okay, maybe your soulmate can be a Capricorn. Then there is Taurus. Okay, a Taurus is there. Then there is a Leo. Okay, so these are 4 signs which I am looking right now. There is a clove leaf, Aquarius. Your good fortune is coming your way. Good luck, good fortune, as luck is on your side. Okay, again there is palm hand, and it's very beautiful because this is also a good luck sign for you. Okay, the palm hand, good fortune is coming your way, and it's in pair. Okay, wait, it's in pair. So this is you and your divine counterpart. Okay, both are having it. 1 minute. Okay, so you both are having this palm. So you and your divine counterpart both are having this divine palm. Okay, then there are 2 stars, new hopes and new desires. You both are having it. Okay, so new hopes and new desires are coming your way. Then there is a fish. Good news is coming your way, Aquarius. Some kind of good news is coming towards you. Then there is an elephant. A big elephant is there, and then there is a baby elephant and an elephant. There are 2 elephants. Actually, there are 3 elephants. Okay, maybe some of you are dealing with a child. That can be possibility. Okay, and there is an elephant. Strength is there. There are 2 flowers again, so it's in pair again. So bloom like a flower, Aquarius. Blossom like a flower. Okay, there is golden leaves. There are 2 golden leaves. Good luck, good fortune is coming your way. Again, this is a good luck. Leaves are there in pair. Okay, then there is an infinite signs, and which is also in pair. You are dealing with your divine counterpart. Okay, you both are having it. Then there is a leaf punch. There is 1 feather. One guardian angel is supporting you, is taking care of you. You are protected. Okay, there is a tree. Okay, copper tree is there. Then there is a leaf which is there again in pair. Okay, there is again a small clove leaf. So good luck is there, Aquarius. Good luck is there. Then there is a moon and a star. Okay, So there is a moon and there is a star. I hope it is clear. Okay. So these are the lucky charms for you, my Aquarius. I hope it... Okay, this was left. Let me add power of love, one message from this deck, and close it out. Your reading, okay? What are the messages? I want one and this was happen. Okay. No, I'm not going to take it. Okay. What are the message again? 4 cards. Kindness. You are a humanitarian made of love and you are able to share that energy with others. Yes, Aquarius, you are the most humanitarian zodiac signs in all. So kindness counts, okay? Then there is elevation. You are making the conscious decision to raise your vibration of love. Beautiful. Then there is present. You live in the moment and are able to bring forth the energy of love in your current circumstances. So live in the present, Aquarius. Tolerance. You appreciate others' point of view because you sense the love in everyone. And bottom of the deck, I'm having commitment. Okay, so you dedicate yourself to your beliefs wholeheartedly, knowing that love is the essence of very well-being. So these are the messages from this deck. So I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. This was your soulmate love reading. Okay. Let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, and please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get every single positive message, important message which are important for you. Okay, sending you lots of happiness, light and love to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. See you soon.